In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a form from your front end and receive it in your email using Web3Forms and Nextjs. You don't need any backend to do this, just Web3Form API and the access key from the Web3Form. That's all we need. So let's visit web3form.com. The first step is to visit web3forms.com/start, and then you enter your email, create your access key. Good. It said email is already registered. Check your email now. You have sent it again. So they have sent the access key to my email, and let me go back and check it. See, it said your access key. This is the access key. Let me copy it now, and I go back to my code. Right here in the value, I'm going to put it access key. Good. And if you need the source code to this code, you can let me know. I can drop it for you guys in comments. The next thing is that I'm going to create a simple submit function to handle the submission of this form. So let's do that. That's the last step.
Subscribe to my channel.
Alright, so this is the function. He said the name is undo submit. So I said set the status. The status is not enough, so set the status to sending. Once you hit the send button, send the status to sending, which is like loading, and gather the form data and send it as a response to this API. This is the Web3Form API, where we are going to send it as a post request, and this body is the data, and the data is the form data form, which is the body of the form. And he said if response.okay, that is if the response is okay, if it is 200, set the status to message sent. The status will show that message is sent, and then reset the form, that is clear the form data. And if else it doesn't work that way, he said set the status to something went wrong, whether maybe bad network or bad server. And then I pass it here as submit function inside this form tag. That's just it. And yes, in this last place I pass the status inside here. So let's test it out.
Subscribe to my channel.
And I hit send. Sending. Message sent. Not even up to 1 second. Immediately it sends. And let's check my inbox. As you can see, it's new submission from your website. A new form has submitted to your website. Name John. Email. Message. This is a text message from me to you, which is from here. And that's it. And this is how easy it is to receive form data through your email in less than minutes. And you can also customize the success message, like the redirect page and more. You can make it in a way that when they submit, after submission, redirect to a particular page. You can customize that, and that is all about that. See you in the next one.
Subscribe to my channel.